Hello friends, my name is Dattu Sononi. Today we are going to study the two-stage RC couple amplifier, its working and its simulation. Uh, as we know, it can be built on the so many softwares, and we can see the simulations. But the proto software is the most we can say that it is a easy software, and the primarily we have to start from the proto software. In this project we are going to design and see the output of the waveform and the amplification of the two-stage RC coupled amplifier. So creating the new Go project, click on new project and name it as RC amplifier as you want. Click on next, finish. Okay. In this window we are going to design the our circuit. For this we are requiring for some component. For the first component is the transistor. Transistor. Okay, this is the transistor. Double click on it, then select register. This is the register. Double click on it. Now after register we are required capacitor as well. Capacitor is selected. After that we want alternator to produce the sinusoidal signal which we want to amplify. Right here alternator. Double click on it and close this window. Now in this we are going to design our circuit. First of all, select the transistor, place it to transistor. As we know that RC coupled two-stage amplifier requires two transistors. Select resistor. First will required here, second will required here. This is for load, this is required here, this is here. Also we want here, here. Okay, now rotate it as 90 degree. All the registers are rotated at 90 degree. Okay, make sure that the alignment of the all registers should be as proper, so the circuit can see good circuit. Okay, now we are going to select the capacitor. Select capacitor here. One capacitor will required here, one required will be here, one required here, and two capacitor required here. Rotate it at 90 degree. Okay, now we are going to connect yes, we are going to also we want to connect it alternator. Now connect all the required lines. Make sure that all the lines are connected properly, otherwise the output will be here. We have to short and then connect these two lines. Okay, now short circuit these two. Now disconnect these two. Connect transistors and resistor. connect this to transistor. This is register. Now this will be going to connect the load. Let's connect all the component to the ground. Select ground here. For taking a, let's change the value of this register as 1 kilo ohm. Okay, for taking the output we are going to we are seeing the output with the help of oscilloscope. Then select oscilloscope. uh, the output is connected to the A channel, that is the output will be showing the yellow lines, and we also wanted to see the input, so select the input at here and connect it to the okay, we are going to connect clear red channel, that's the, so that it can be see easily. This is our circuit. Select the proper values of voltage and the frequency. We are going to apply only 1 hertz. Here the output will be, here the frequency will be 1 kilohertz. Then click OK. Okay, you can see that the output is coming. This is the this red lines, the red waveform is the input and the yellow is showing the output. You can see the amplification of this amplifier. So this is the working and the simple simulation of the RC2 stage amplifier. So thank you all.